Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of flipping items for profit. Flipping is the art of buying products at a low price and selling them at a higher price, pocketing the difference as profit. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or start a full-fledged business, flipping can be a rewarding venture. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process, from finding the right items to sell, to closing the deal and maximizing your earnings. Let's get started on your journey to turning everyday items into real money. Flipping is a simple yet powerful concept. It involves purchasing items, anything from electronics to furniture at a lower price, and then reselling them for a profit. The key is to spot undervalued goods, negotiate smartly, and understand market demand. Flipping can be done both online and offline, and it doesn't require a huge upfront investment. Many successful flippers start with just a few dollars and gradually build their way up. The beauty of flipping is that it's accessible to anyone willing to learn and put in the effort. You might wonder why so many people are drawn to flipping. The answer is simple. It's a flexible way to earn extra income, and it can be scaled up as you gain experience. Flipping allows you to work on your own schedule, choose the types of items you enjoy dealing with, and develop valuable skills in negotiation, marketing, and sales. Plus, it's a sustainable way to give items a second life, reducing waste and promoting reuse. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, flipping offers real opportunities. The first step in flipping is deciding what items to focus on. Some of the most profitable categories include electronics, vintage collectibles, furniture, clothing, and even books. It's important to choose items that you're familiar with or interested in, as this makes research and negotiation much easier. Start by looking around your home for unused items, or visit local thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces to spot potential deals. Remember, the best items to flip are those in demand and in good condition. Before making a purchase, it's crucial to research the current market value of the item you're considering. Use online platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist to check recent sales and listings. Pay attention to the condition, brand, and any unique features that might affect price. This research helps you avoid overpaying and ensures you can make a profit when reselling. Take notes on pricing trends and be patient. Sometimes the best deals require a bit of waiting and observation. Finding the right items to flip is half the battle. Start by exploring local thrift stores, garage sales, estate sales, and flea markets. These places often have hidden gems at bargain prices. Don't overlook online sources like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and auction sites, where people frequently sell items they no longer need. Networking with friends and family can also lead to great finds. Sometimes people are happy to give away things just to clear space. The more sources you explore, the better your chances of scoring profitable deals. When you find a potential item, carefully inspect its condition. Look for any damage, missing parts, or signs of wear that could affect its value. For electronics, test them if possible. For furniture, check for stability and cleanliness. The better the condition, the higher the resale value. If you're unsure, take clear photos and ask for more information from the seller. Being thorough in your evaluation helps you avoid costly mistakes and ensures your buyers are satisfied with their purchases. Negotiation is a key skill in flipping. Don't be afraid to make an offer below the asking price, especially if you notice flaws or if the item has been listed for a while. Be polite and respectful. Sometimes a friendly conversation can lead to a better deal. If you're buying in bulk or multiple items from the same seller, ask for a discount. Remember, every dollar you save increases your potential profit. Practice your negotiation skills and you'll get better with each transaction. Once you've purchased an item, take time to clean and, if necessary, repair it. A little effort can significantly increase the resale value. For example, polishing shoes, washing clothes, or tightening screws on furniture can make a big difference. If you're handy, minor repairs like replacing batteries or fixing loose parts can turn a mediocre find into a top seller. Presenting your items in the best possible condition not only attracts more buyers, but also justifies a higher price. High-quality photos are essential for selling items online. Use natural lighting and a clean background to make your items stand out. Take multiple angles, including close-ups of any unique features or flaws. Clear, detailed photos build trust with buyers and can help your listing sell faster. If possible, use a smartphone or camera with good resolution. Remember, your photos are often the first impression buyers have of your item, so make them count. A well-written listing can make all the difference. Start with a clear, descriptive title that includes the brand, model, and key features. In the description, be honest about the condition and mention any flaws. Highlight what makes your item unique or valuable. Use bullet points for easy reading and include measurements if relevant. The more information you provide, the more confident buyers will feel. Good listings attract more attention and can lead to quicker sales. Pricing your item correctly is crucial. Set a price that's competitive but still leaves room for profit. Check similar listings to see what others are charging, and consider the condition and demand for your item. If you're unsure, start slightly higher and be open to offers. Remember, pricing too low can leave money on the table, while pricing too high may scare off potential buyers. Finding the sweet spot takes practice, but it's key to successful flipping. There are many platforms where you can sell your items, both online and offline. Popular online options include eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and specialized apps like Poshmark or OfferUp. Each platform has its own audience and fee structure, so choose the one that best fits your item and target buyer. Offline, consider local flea markets, consignment shops, or community events. The right platform can make a big difference in how quickly and profitably you sell your items. Most online selling platforms charge fees, which can eat into your profits if you're not careful. These may include listing fees, final value fees, or payment processing charges. Before listing your item, review the fee structure of the platform you're using. Factor these costs into your pricing to ensure you still make a profit. Some platforms offer promotions or discounts for new sellers, so keep an eye out for those opportunities. Being aware of fees helps you make smarter selling decisions. Good communication is key to successful sales. Respond promptly to questions and be polite in all interactions. Provide additional photos or information if requested, and be honest about the item's condition. Clear communication builds trust and can lead to repeat customers or positive reviews. If you're meeting in person, arrange a safe, public location for the exchange. The smoother your communication, the more likely you are to close the deal. If you're selling online, proper packaging is essential to ensure your item arrives safely. Use sturdy boxes, bubble wrap, and packing materials to protect fragile items. Seal packages securely and include a thank you note for a personal touch. Double-check the shipping address and choose a reliable carrier. Well-packaged items reduce the risk of damage and lead to happier customers, which can result in positive feedback and repeat business. After packaging, it's time to ship your item. Choose a shipping method that balances speed and cost. Provide tracking information to your buyer so they can monitor the delivery. Keep receipts and proof of shipment in case any issues arise. Fast, reliable shipping improves your reputation as a seller and encourages buyers to leave positive reviews. Always communicate with your buyer if there are any delays or problems during shipping. Sometimes, buyers may request a return or encounter issues with their purchase. Have a clear return policy and communicate it up front. If a return is necessary, handle it professionally and promptly. Address any complaints or problems with understanding and a willingness to resolve the issue. Good customer service can turn a negative experience into a positive one and protect your reputation as a seller. Remember, satisfied customers are more likely to buy from you again. To succeed in flipping, it's important to keep track of your expenses and profits. Use a simple spreadsheet or an app to record each purchase, sale price, fees, and shipping costs. This helps you understand which items are most profitable and where you can improve. Regularly reviewing your numbers allows you to set goals, spot trends, and make smarter buying decisions. Staying organized is key to growing your flipping business over time. Once you've mastered the basics, consider scaling up your flipping business. This could mean investing in higher value items, increasing the number of items you flip, or expanding to new categories. As you gain experience, you'll develop an eye for deals and build relationships with suppliers or regular buyers. Scaling up requires careful planning and reinvesting your profits, but it can lead to greater income and even a full-time business if you choose. As your flipping business grows, consider building a personal brand. Use consistent photos, descriptions, and customer service to create a reputation for quality and reliability. You might even create a logo or social media presence to attract more buyers. A strong brand can help you stand out in crowded marketplaces and encourage repeat business. Remember, trust and professionalism go a long way in the world of flipping. Every flipper makes mistakes, especially in the beginning. Maybe you overpaid for an item, underestimated shipping costs, or misjudged demand. The key is to learn from these experiences and adjust your strategy. Keep notes on what worked and what didn't, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Each mistake is a valuable lesson that brings you closer to success. With time and practice, you'll become a more savvy and profitable flipper. Organization is crucial for flipping success. Keep your inventory neatly stored and labeled, and maintain clear records of all transactions. Use digital tools or apps to track your sales, expenses, and profits. Staying organized saves time, reduces stress, and helps you spot opportunities for improvement. The more systematic you are, the easier it becomes to manage a growing flipping business and avoid costly mistakes. Flipping can be time-consuming, especially as your business grows. Set aside specific times each week for sourcing, listing, and shipping items. Batch similar tasks together to work more efficiently. Use reminders and to-do lists to stay on track. By managing your time well, you can balance flipping with other responsibilities and avoid burnout. Remember, consistency is more important than speed. Steady progress leads to long-term success. As your flipping business grows, it's important to be aware of legal requirements. Depending on your location and sales volume, you may need to register your business, collect sales tax, or report your income for tax purposes. Research local regulations and consult a professional if needed. Keeping your business compliant protects you from fines and legal issues and sets the stage for long-term growth. Unfortunately, scams can happen in the flipping world. Be cautious of buyers who offer to overpay, request unusual payment methods, or ask for personal information. Use secure payment platforms and meet in safe, public places for in-person transactions. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it's better to walk away. Protecting yourself from scams ensures your flipping experience remains positive and profitable. Certain items sell better during specific seasons. For example, holiday decorations, winter clothing, or summer sports gear can fetch higher prices at the right time of year. Plan your sourcing and listings around these trends to maximize profits. Keep an eye on upcoming holidays and events, and adjust your inventory accordingly. Seasonal flipping requires a bit of planning, but it can lead to big rewards if you time it right. Exploring niche markets can set you apart from other flippers. Specializing in a particular category like vintage toys, rare books, or designer clothing allows you to become an expert and spot valuable deals others might miss. Niche markets often have dedicated buyers willing to pay premium prices. As you gain knowledge, you'll build a reputation and attract loyal customers. Don't be afraid to experiment until you find a niche that excites you. Both online and offline flipping have their pros and cons. Online platforms offer a wider audience and convenience, but may involve shipping and fees. Offline flipping, like at flea markets or local events, allows for face-to-face negotiation and immediate payment, but limits your reach. Many successful flippers use a combination of both methods. Choose the approach that fits your lifestyle and goals, and don't be afraid to adapt as your business evolves. As you gain experience, building relationships with suppliers can give you access to better deals and exclusive items. This might include thrift store managers, estate sale organizers, or even other flippers. Networking can lead to bulk purchases or early access to inventory. Treat your suppliers with respect and reliability, and they'll be more likely to offer you the best opportunities. Strong relationships are a valuable asset in the flipping business. Technology can streamline your flipping business. Use apps to scan barcodes and check prices, manage your inventory, and track expenses. Online tools can help you automate listings, communicate with buyers, and analyze sales data. Staying up to date with the latest technology gives you a competitive edge and saves valuable time. Embrace digital solutions to make your flipping process more efficient and profitable. Effective marketing can help your items sell faster and for higher prices. Use clear, attractive photos and compelling descriptions. Share your listings on social media or relevant online groups to reach more buyers. Consider offering promotions or bundle deals to encourage sales. The more visibility your items have, the better your chances of making a profit. Don't underestimate the power of good marketing in the flipping business. Providing excellent customer service sets you apart from other sellers. Respond to inquiries quickly, be honest about your items, and resolve any issues professionally. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations can lead to more sales and repeat customers. Remember, happy buyers are more likely to return and refer others to your listings. Make customer satisfaction a top priority in your flipping business. Negative feedback can happen to even the best sellers. If you receive a complaint or bad review, address it calmly and professionally. Apologize for any inconvenience and offer a solution if possible. Learning from feedback helps you improve your business and shows buyers you care about their experience. Over time, positive interactions will outweigh the occasional negative one, building your reputation as a trustworthy seller. Flipping can be challenging, especially when sales are slow or you encounter setbacks. Stay motivated by setting achievable goals and celebrating small wins. Connect with other flippers for support and inspiration. Remember why you started flipping, whether it's for extra income, the thrill of the hunt, or building a business. Keeping a positive mindset will help you push through tough times and continue growing your flipping venture. Many people have turned flipping into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time business. From finding rare collectibles at garage sales to flipping electronics online, success stories abound. These stories show that with dedication, research, and a willingness to learn, anyone can succeed in flipping. Let these examples inspire you to start your own journey and discover the possibilities that flipping offers. Avoiding common mistakes can save you time and money. Some pitfalls include overpaying for items, underestimating shipping costs, neglecting research, or failing to communicate with buyers. Learn from the experiences of others and always double-check your numbers before making a purchase. Being aware of these mistakes helps you make smarter decisions and increases your chances of flipping success. Flipping can also be a way to support charitable causes. Some flippers donate a portion of their profits to charity or use their skills to help community organizations raise funds. This adds a sense of purpose to your business and can attract buyers who want to support a good cause. Consider partnering with local charities or organizing fundraising sales to make a positive impact through your flipping efforts. Flipping isn't just about profit, it's also a sustainable way to reduce waste and promote reuse. By giving items a second life, you help keep them out of landfills and contribute to a more eco-friendly economy. Many buyers appreciate the environmental benefits of buying secondhand. Emphasize sustainability in your listings and business practices to attract like-minded customers and make a difference. Flipping can be a fun and educational activity for the whole family. Involve your kids in sourcing, cleaning, and listing items to teach them valuable skills like budgeting, negotiation, and entrepreneurship. Working together can turn flipping into a bonding experience and even spark a lifelong interest in business. Plus, it's a great way to declutter your home and make extra money as a team. Safety should always be a priority when flipping, especially during in-person transactions. Meet buyers and sellers in public, well-lit locations, and avoid sharing personal information. If possible, bring a friend along, or let someone know where you're going. Use secure payment methods and trust your instincts. Taking these precautions ensures your flipping experience is both profitable and safe. As you gain experience, you may consider selling to international buyers. This opens up a larger market, but also involves additional considerations like shipping costs, customs, and international payment methods. Research the requirements for shipping abroad and factor in extra time for delivery. International flipping can be rewarding and profitable if you're prepared for the challenges. Flipping is a flexible side hustle that can fit around your existing job or studies. You control how much time and money you invest, making it ideal for busy people. Many flippers start small and grow their business gradually. Whether you want to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or just earn extra spending money, flipping offers a practical and rewarding way to achieve your financial goals. The flipping industry continues to evolve with new technology and changing consumer habits. Online marketplaces are growing, and more people are embracing secondhand shopping for environmental and financial reasons. Staying informed about trends and adapting your strategies will keep you ahead of the curve. The future of flipping is bright, offering endless opportunities for those willing to learn and innovate. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive overview of how to flip items for profit. Remember, success comes from research, patience, and a willingness to learn from every transaction. Start small, stay organized, and keep refining your approach as you gain experience. Flipping can be both fun and financially rewarding, whether you do it as a hobby or a business. Take the first step today and see where your flipping journey takes you.